shopping like this because we love street shopping. We love to buy, everything, and we like the personal touch. That we can actually buy masalas or gota or even like the smallest things that we can't imagine we can ever, get in on internet. Also, I think the best thing is that they've given me really beautiful campaign. And I love the advertisements. They're so popular. Now that I'm working on a film where I have double role, Tanu Weds Manu, people tell me, but you've already done double roles, I'm like, no, I haven't. It's my first time. They know that advertisement that comes on television, you have double roles. So, so that's so popular and everyone, sort of identifies with it. So it's been very, very gratifying, and I'm very, very happy to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. I request Mr. Amardeep to please say a few words about Kangna.
So the first thing is I'm seeing Kangna for the first time, and I'm spellbound. You look stunning. You look wonderful. Secondly, we are having you as a brand ambassador for quite some time, and we decided this time on this Valentine to run a contest, and you so readily and so sportingly agreed to it, which was Kangna Be My Valentine, and I was so surprised and to see that thousands of people all across the country, they wanted to make you your Valentine. So but we had a tough choice. We had to select some 20 odd people, and we have with great difficulty have been able to find these people, and we have gotten all of them together here. So they'll be. I think they're super excited. They've been jumping with joy for last 2-3 days since they've been in Bombay and they're privileged and excited right now to be with Kangna and to see her in flesh and blood, and so that's how it is. And Asmi Bazaar.
Okay, ma'am. So with everything, so much going on about women empowerment. It's all over the news now. Women empowerment, Nari Shakti, blah, 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 blah. And when you have been the best example for the common women out here with your movie Queen, it actually, I think, in true terms, that was a movie which kind of empowered women in our country. So what do you have to say about this entire thing that is going on, that women should be treated equally and women should be empowered? The state of women in our country is not right. What do you have to say about the entire thing?
This is a very, very sensitive topic, and it is a very vast topic for this platform especially. But I think this is a very sexist approach. Like this is men, women, children, older people. How I see women is as a feminine goddess. So feminine can be awakened in anyone. Feminine means sensitive emotions, being gentle, being kind, being full of love. And, for all you know, man could be a lot more feminine than a woman. You can't really discriminate people and just be sexist that just because you're a man, you're bound to be ruthless or, things like that. Or just because you're a woman, you are this goddess just because, so you can get away with anything. That's not the way we can look at things. That would be a very superficial approach.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a very, very good answer. Very well said. Thank you so much, ma'am. And as everybody knows, you have won the national award, the National Film Award for the Best Actress for Queen. Also, we have heard things like Amitabh Bachchan sends you a bouquet of flowers for your acting. Many people throughout the Bollywood appreciates your role in Queen. We also heard that Rekha ma'am has also sent you an award at 3 a.m. in the morning at your doorstep. So people, that is a big, big thing that Rekha is sending an award to Kangna at her place at 3 in the morning. So what do you have to say about your entire journey, how it was before Queen and after Queen?
Queen has been a life-changing experience for me, and people like Amitabh ji or Rekha ji or Mr. Amir Khan and even Salman for that matter, or Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, or all these people who we look up to, they've been very encouraging, very supportive, and needless to say that Queen has been, sort of landmark for me. And I'm overwhelmed with the response, and now the national award is just like amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. And the last question I would want to ask you is, you do not belong to a filmy background. You do not have a godfather in Bollywood. Right now, I think you are the style diva in Bollywood. So what is your sense? What do you have to say about fashion, and what is Kangna's style for all the beautiful women out here?
My style is, I like a bit, chic and boho coming together, but I can't always take credit for my style because when I'm on my own, I style myself, but mostly I have great people, extremely talented people working with me. Like right now I'm being styled by Ami Patel, so obviously it's her statement. But when I'm on my own, that's the time I dress up for myself, and rest of the time I've been just working with great team of people.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now I request the contestants, the winners, to please come up on the stage in